So what's up guys, it's Inferno and today I'm gonna show you how to install Windows 10 in Oracle VirtualBox. It will be gonna be fun adventure. So click on the new button here, just right in here, and then create a name for your thing, or else click cancel and click on the add button. And you can use a VDR if you have, but I don't have, so I'm gonna need to click on the new button, and then we will have the many things that we're gonna need. And now set the name as you want. I'm gonna name it I'm gonna name Windows 10 test, and then we'll have the folder where the video will be located at, and the ISO we're gonna have to set it here. Click on the other button and then click on the ISO that you have, like Windows 10. You're done, and then make sure everything's okay, and make sure to set up this type of things. Okay, the username is virtual user, but I don't want the username, so I'm gonna set it error. And then the password, I don't know what change me, or the password is change me, but I don't want the password, so I'm gonna name it R. Oh sorry, I forgot the letter R. My gosh, what is happening? Okay, and now here repeat password. In here we're gonna change it up. My gosh, why this is so annoying. I'm gonna change it up to Abror. Everything is Abror here. And now I have the test version, and the main tab and host name is this. Product key, I don't have a product key, man. Then what? What shall I name it? Okay, just Windows 10. Okay, done. Now click on the hardware button, and we can see how much memory we have, and how much processor that we can give, and how much we have. So now I will likely to set the memory at 4096. This is the 4 GB standard memory for Windows 10. And make sure to update the CPU into 4. And then we have the hard disk button. And in hard disks, if make sure that you have this GB number, and you have like more than 20. And now click on the now, as you can see, there's something with this uninstall button. So what shall I name it? I'm gonna name it Win 10. Now it's just okay. Okay, now click on the finish button. It should be going like a champ. As you can see, it's powering the VM up. Okay, it's done. And now I'm gonna have to close all of these things. Now what? It's reloading something. Okay, capture. Oh, we got the logo. Let's see. Okay, so now on, we're gonna have to do is to click the next button and then click on the install now option. And now the setup will start soon. Just wait. I'll be cover everything up. Don't worry. And now I don't have a product key nor a serial key. I just click on that I don't have a product key. Now and now the version you want. I want the Pro, especially for me. I want the Pro cause Pro have a lots of feature in gaming and video editing. So let's click on the next button, and after that it will need some time, no matter how. Okay, then click on the I accept license terms option, and then click on the next button, and click on the custom installed Windows Advanced. Click on this, and then they located our drive correctly, and we're gonna have to click on the next button, and then it will start copying my file, start getting the file suggest, and start everything that's gonna need. Then now this can take a lots of time, and I'm gonna do some time lapse. 50% here, and it's going pretty smoothly and decently, and you might face some lag in mouse, and and it's not your PC's lag, but the lag is from the VMware or the virtual machine software. And you're gonna have to download or install a driver, and I'll show you later in the installation. Stick with me, okay? So if I want wondering, hey, my PC is slow, no, my PC is not. My PC or your PC is not slow. It's just we didn't install the driver yet. When we'll install the driver, the smoothness, the feeling of smoothness, you will gonna feel it. I'm saying this cause I ran Windows 11 on a 2 GB RAM PC, literally, and it went on decently smooth. And I wanna say I had a good experience with it. And I just did some research, and now I'm here with you guys. I did a video that how to install Windows 10 in VMware, and make sure to watch that out. And I'm gonna have some time. We got 98%. I think soon the installation will be done and we can free to go. I hope. Oh, it's done. So now it will gonna install the updates. It installed the features. And now let's just wait until this show, and now click on the restart now button. As you can see, after that you'll greet the interface like this, and then the machines icon will be here, and we will be greeted by getting ready and just a moment things. And I think it will done soon. Oh, why the logo went like that? Okay, so first of it will start the services, and then they'll get in the device ID, and they will get in the getting ready. They will get everything ready. I think that was split seconds. So there's a lots of background noises I because I'm in a crowded place making a video. Yeah, totally fire. Pray for me to becoming a thousand or like million subscribers in this year. I have a dream. Please make sure you share this with your friends, and your friends that loves to have virtual machine and doesn't know how to do it. Just share with them. And the getting ready will be over soon, and I'm the little brother of Inferno Avier. Oh, it's done. It's done. Wow, that was way much. Okay, now we have this interface. Now at this time, hold on a second. I'm gonna ask Inferno Abra that shall I remove the optical drive or not? Hey man, shall I remove the optical drive? Okay. So then when shall I remove it? Oh, I don't need to. Okay. He's my elder brother, Inferno Avier, the main guy in front of the channel, and I'm just a partner of him. Okay, so as you can see, the movement of the mouse went pretty decent, I guess. And now I just wanted a time slap, but I don't want to. I just want you to see the painful thing happening. Make sure to watch how to install Windows 10 in VMware. Okay, it done. So then it says let's start with region. Is this right? Yes, United States. That's right. Click on the yes button if that's right, or choose which region are you in, and then they will say is this the right keyboard layout, and just click on the yes and click yes. Yeah, this time your mouse can definitely lag. Click on the yes button, and they will say like want to add a second keyboard layer, and click on the skip button, and we will greet with just a moment. And now we will have some important setups to do. Okay, so just don't skip this tip. My brother was watching a video. Hey man, sit back and relax while we work our magic. What kind of magic you have, you idiot, little idiot? Okay, please don't turn off your device. Man, I'm running on a virtual machine. Don't worry, cause I will not shut it down. Okay? Yeah, many guys like, okay, let me shut off the computer. Tomorrow I will do the rest installation. Just don't do that. And they'll say still setting things up. Okay, let you set up the things that you want to set up. Let it let it do its work. Thanks for your patience. Yeah, you are thanking me, and I'm thanking you for making a Windows like that. That everybody loves Windows 10. Loves Windows 10. Okay, we got through this part of the setup. Okay, man. Very proud of you. Just a moment, just a moment. Okay, now they will say like, how would you like to set things up? Set for personal use, set for an organization, and I'm going to set up for the personal use and click on the next button. After that you'll be greeted with a just a moment, and then they'll say to add your account, but I don't have an account because I don't want to make the video long, so click on the offline account, and then you will say just a moment, and then here you can see the services thing, and click on the next button, and I click on the offline button. Use limited experience, and then we're gonna need a name, so I'm gonna name it yeah, like that, baby. Click on the next button, and then create a super memorable password. Okay, I will not share the password with you guys, and then click on the next button. The password is your choice, and then confirm the password that you just typed. Click on the next button, and then they will ask some questions like security questions, and I will gonna say what was your first page, then I'm gonna say something else. Oh no, sorry, like and subscribe, like and subscribe, idiots. And then second question, I'm gonna do this. What's the name of city board? Like and subscribe to Inferno Uproar. I'm gonna remind you again. And then what was your childhood nickname? Uproar. And then you'll greet with a just a moment sign here, so it will be smooth. And then click on not now button. And if you want, and then just turn all of them down. Cause if you turn them down, the like the performance will be better, and I'm a gamer, so I want performance, right? Yes. So then they will say let's customize your experience. I'm gonna say in gaming, entertainment, business, done. Click on the exit button, and then they will greet with a just a moment, and then they'll say let Cortana have your things done, and click not now, and then you will get with a just a moment, and then the Windows will speak to you like, hi, we're getting things ready for you, and it will not stay for long, and it will be, oh my gosh, I love Windows talking. So we're having a bad news because Windows 10 is running out of its support and update in probably 2026, and that's a lot of time because we are in 2025. Oh no, not 2026, but in 2027, I guess. We have a lots of time. Don't worry, just don't worry. And if the update comes, if Windows 10 got end of support, don't worry. Do you remember Windows 8? It got end of life. First of all, he got end of support, and then he got end of life. Oh my gosh, that was a memorable Windows to me. Cause my first laptop was running Windows 8 and it got fucked up. It got fried, and now I let the shush. And now he's at the workbench in my garage. And then and then the Windows will talk with you, and we're done, baby. And then first of all, go to the file explorer. Oh my gosh, not this guy again. Hold on. So first of all, go to the machine and then click on the integrated gradient section. I don't know. Just click on the last section, and then we will be greeted with this thing called cdd something. And now we're gonna have to install it, ARM64. And then click yes, and then click next, click install. And after that, it will install everything we're gonna need. And make sure to remove the optical disc. After that, we're done. After that, we're almost done. And then just remove the optical disc, I guess. And then we will need to restart. Amen. Remove the optical discs. Oh, so we don't need to remove the optical discs, right? For now, bro. Okay, understand. Okay, so this is a glitch. Don't mind. And now everything's ready. Then we will gonna have a Windows full of experience and joy. Hey. Okay, so that's all for today. I'm gonna see you tomorrow, or yes, or maybe on the Monday or Sunday. As you can see, we can now fully zoom our windows. This is a good experience. So as you can see, we can zoom our windows. And now let's just close the windows. In order to close it, just click on the close button and then click on the OK button, and now that's all. See you guys.